Mr. Varun Khullar, Head BFSI Lead Squared, for his presentation on Empowering Cooperative Banking with Lead Squared, Simplified Customer Journey Management.
Hi everyone. Can you hear me all right? Everybody can hear me? Okay, excellent. All right, we'll talk about CRM. We'll talk about yet another tool. एक और सॉफ्टवेयर आ गया, मैम. I think ये conversation जो previous person ने करी थी, उसी को थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाएंगे. But lending से इसको थोड़ा और expand करेंगे. And of course, we would like to have a little bit more interaction with you all, hopefully. So before we do that, first let's understand a little bit about what Lead Square is. Lead Squared, as the name suggests, we are experts in lead management. That's how we started. तो customer जब हमारे पास first time आता है, पहली बात तो कहाँ से आ रहा है, और उसके बाद वो prospect से opportunity से customer कैसे बनेगा, इसकी जो journey है, basically उसको शुरू से लेकर end तक manage करने की जो journey है, उसको हम लीड स्क्वायर में बहुत अच्छे से मैप करते हैं. ये हमारी कोर स्ट्रेंथ है. अगर आप देखें हमारे पास काफी कस्टमर्स हैं ये वो, बट हम अगेन लाइक द प्रीवियस स्पीकर सेड, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स में हमारा ये आई वुड से पहला प्रॉपर फोकस है. ओके, तो वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस. आज बहुत इंसाइट मिली, सारस्वत बैंक, कॉस्मोस बैंक, एसवीसी, आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करके हमारे को इंसाइट मिली है. एंड वी आर ऑब्वियसली वांटिंग टू शोकेस टू यू टुडे कि हमारे पास क्या क्या ऑफरिंग्स हैं, राइट. एंड उसको ऑफ कोर्स वी विल वांट टू वर्क विद यू टू सी हाउ इट अप्लाइज टू यू. सो लेट मी शेयर अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट how we understand some of your challenges. So if you look at this slide, basically what we are trying to say is कि this audience is fundamentally going in this journey. I think you are still in early stages of a journey of digitization. Digitization क्या होती है? Digitization, digital. I think let's start from a little basics. I think basically what we are trying to say is that we are going paperless. Okay? ये digital का basic मतलब होता है कि going from paper focus to paperless. एक ये main focus है. The other focus is how can you have processes which can be done via tools, softwares, rather than manually. Okay, so manual to technology or focus on more softwares is the other broad terminology. What we say is digitization. Okay, and I think fair to say that a lot of the people who are based here are somewhere in this journey. You are either exploring or you are doing, but I think early stages mein hai sab, most of the folks, right? And we understand that, right? So if you understand what you're really trying to do, you're basically trying to do the first thing, which is business impact. हम लोग सब customer base increase करना चाहते हैं. हम लोग सब liability book size पे focus है हमारा. Loan book को diversify करना चाहते हैं ताकि revenue बढ़े. Obviously CASA, loan ये main focus areas हैं. We understand that. Profitability. So how do you reduce cost of book? Right, that is the main focus. CASA का cost कैसे कम करना है हमें, and then of course loan book quality, right? How do you minimize delinquency? So these are what your business impacts are, and this will not change from X bank to a cooperative bank. I think this we should understand that ये fundamental to business impact है, that will remain the same. Okay. Now in terms, and now the second and third columns are where we come in, where we say कि अच्छा we understand how you are solving these business problems. Okay. So what are those metrics? कैसे measure करते हैं? Customer acquisition cost, कितना पैसे लगे एक customer को लाने के लिए, cross sell upsell rate, life cycle, sales life cycle time, convert करने में कितना time लगा, conversion rate, मतलब कितना drop off हुआ, मतलब customer को लाने के बाद कितने लोग उस funnel से गिरे, resource productivity, and of course service response time. Now if you feel that you do not understand digitization, or if you don't know कि digitization का क्या मतलब है, क्या फायदा है, then it are some of these metrics which you should be asking, or you should be trying to figure out what they are existing for your current, the way you are currently working, and being able to measure these metrics, customer acquisition cost, service response, then is when you will start to understand the benefit of digitization. Okay, so I think this is kind of an important slide from that point of view. The third column is where, you know, we bring in or we add value as Lead Squared, right? So, you know, just a 7 bullet point of the products that we have. So, sales execution CRM, customer relationship management software, customer relationship management. I'm just repeating this because एक या दो तीन चीजें भी अगर आपको समझ में आ जाएं कि ये बेसिकली इस तरह के टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं, देन कल को फिर आपके पास रिकॉल होगा एंड यू कैन कम बैक टू अस. सो customer relationship management software, loan origination, I think everybody knows this, understands this very well. Field sales solutions, FOS app, feet on street, FOS का मतलब feet on street app, जो बंदा sales फील्ड में जाके लोगों को लोन दे रहा है या सर्विसिंग कर रहा है, कलेक्शंस कर रहा है, वो कैसे उसको पता चल रहा है कि काम क्या करना है, किसके पास जाके मिलना है, राइट? रिलेशनशिप ड्रिवन, हाईली रिलेशनशिप ड्रिवन से टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन करने के लिए या रिलेशनशिप प्लस टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन करने के लिए these systems work. And of course there's collections, service, and then there are, you know, things like performance management, analytics. So the next few slides will be basis the last seven, I mean इसका जो ये 7 products हैं, इस पे हम deeper जाएंगे, but this is a little bit like a summary slide of how we solve pain points or how we solve and get business impact for you all. Okay, इसमें से कोई ना कोई चीज आपको जरूर impact करेगी, cost, revenue, ये सारी चीजें आपको you will be able to relate to it. Okay, so now let's get into a little bit about the first part, which is around, you know, the sales CRM. This is how it looks. So if you actually look at the product, you will get a sense of how this thing works. It's got a customer 360. Customer 360 in a CRM is one of the most fundamental things. It's basically talking about, you know, इसने अभी क्या लिया है, इसको और क्या लेना है, सिंपल सा पॉइंट है, उस तरह से चलता है ये. कब इसको रीच आउट करना है, कब इसको नज करना है, stuff like that. So digital lead, so centralized lead capture, distribution, and a lot of integrations which we have, which help in doing this. Second is loan origination system. I think a lot of people have told you about loan origination system, so you must be flooded with this information. But you know, our understanding and expertise in LOS is we provide a very basic, simple, easy to understand, self-configurable, you know, business rule engine. And the strength, our strength fundamentally is in the customizations that we are able to provide. तो आपका process आपके बगल वाले बैंक से different है, तो उसको कैसे हम customize कर सकें? Customization में ही trick है और integration with your existing systems में ही trick है, where Lead Square is very strong. And one more reason why we are very strong and we are good in the LOS is because we have our own internal implementation teams. So we do not use external partners. We have our own teams. So उससे क्या होता है कि you know, there is no external dependency. It is the same business, same team who's working to make sure what the sales has told you, ये वही implement हो रहा है, right? So just talking a little bit about configurability, and I hope, you know, you're able to understand what I'm saying. So नीचे कुछ हमने we put some names of some customers who obviously have been using us for a long time, and they're very willing to obviously talk to us. I mean, talk to you all if you want any references. Third, we go into the FOS app. So I talked about this. So you know, people who are on the field who are meeting customers. I know cooperative bank mein a lot of customers are actually drop in. They come into the banks. It's a relationship game. But slowly, as you grow with scale, you have to have people who are going out and meeting customers rather than everybody coming to you. तो वो धीरे-धीरे करके with scale वो होएगा ही होएगा. And उसके लिए आपको फिर simple app based mechanisms करने हैं. आज की डेट में at least thankfully mobile phone penetration और, you know, connectivity है, so you are able to do this at scale. So here we have, you know, things like geofencing, geotagging, understanding लोग बंदे हैं कहाँ, and of course OCR to be able to reduce the number of documents, the way you are collecting documents, and then of course travel, attendance management, मतलब simple stuff. Sales के लोगों के लिए क्या करना है, वो सब चीजें easily track होती हैं ऐप में. The next is collections, to be able to make sure that you're making all, I mean the collections that which are preventing delinquency, which are preventing you know, loan outstandings. how do you make sure that your people are able to go and meet the right customer at the right time and get the collections done, right? So, default trigger, default allocation to agents, real-time notifications, and of course, this is how some of the thing looks like. Plan for today, आज किसको मिलना है, कहाँ जाना है. So very, very simple solutions, very easy to configure solutions is what we bring to the table. And I'll just quickly go on to some of the other products. I mean, I'm showing you this because this is how the products actually look like. So ये आपको ऐसे ही दिखेंगे, तो just giving you a sense कि how does the product actually look. This is the service CRM. Service CRM का मतलब है टिकट्स जब बाद में लोग जब बेच हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर जो हैं उनको अगर कोई भी दिक्कत होती है तो वो जब आपके लिए सर्विसिंग के लिए आते हैं तो वो कैसे मैनेज होता है. तो सर्विसिंग कैसे भी आपको अगर कोई भी सेंट्रलाइज फोन करेगा सपोज आपके सेंट्रलाइज नंबर पे या ईमेल करेगा या व्हाट्सएप करेगा, ये सारे मोड्स अवेलेबल हैं. तो टिकट जनरेट होती है सिस्टम में और टिकट जनरेट होकर एलोकेट होती है एजेंट को, फिर वो फॉलो अप होता है उस पर एंड टिकट को क्लोज किया जाता है एक सर्टन अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम में. सो this is how the service system works. It's called the service cloud for us. Omni channel support मतलब सारे चैनल मतलब ईमेल, व्हाट्सएप, SMS, ये सारे चैनल सपोर्ट होते हैं. So this is a view of the service. Then we have performance management. तो performance management थोड़े से advanced concepts हैं जो इंश्योरेंस बैंकिंग में आजकल काफ़ी नॉर्मल हो गए हैं, बट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स में अभी स्टिल उतना प्रोग्रेस नहीं हुआ है. स्टिल आई वांटेड टू शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. सो दिस इज बेसिकली आपकी टीम्स को कंपैरेटिवली एक लीडर बोर्ड में डाला जाता है बेस्ड ऑन हाउ देयर वर्किंग और परफॉर्मिंग अगेंस्ट देयर गोल्स, राइट. सो कौन किससे अच्छा कर रहा है और कौन किसको कितनी नीड ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट है वो एक कॉमन बोर्ड में डाला जाता है ताकि ये आपकी टीम्स को मोटिवेट करता है टू डू बेटर. Right, so this is why this is called a sales performance suite. Okay, ACE is our own internal product ka name, so that's why it's called ACE. And then of course the last and final product which I wanted to share today is the reporting and analytics tool. At the end of the day, most of the things that you are trying to track has to be available in a simple dashboard, in a simple report, where you're able to see it and say ki yes, my business is on track. The metrics that we showed on the first slide, are they on track? So you should be able to do that, and to be able to do that, you have simple ways of making dashboards and making analytics and making it available to your teams. So that's the analytics dashboard. It's called Sierra, and of course we've got lots of customizable reports जो आपको चाहिए वो बना जा सकते हैं and all of that. So I just want to pause here. This is the last slide in presentation, and take questions, thoughts. Anything that resonated in the variety of things that we showed you, and of course we also got a booth here. You should be available for any conversations. But stop here. Any thoughts? Any questions? Happy to take.
I would request my colleague Mr. Ashish to present a token of appreciation to Mr. Khullar.